Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Taina and this is Taina Travels. Now, I really don't be going that many places, but when I do, you're gonna hear about it. Let's get started. Packing, it was finally November 27th, the day of our flight. I was no Sarah, 11 o'clock, no Sarah, 11:30, no Sarah. Where were you? We're on a plane. We're on a plane. Where did you go for 50 minutes on a plane? Oh my God. No, don't come get me. Leave me alone. So he meet us in Bangkok because he had gone on a trip.
Bye guys.
Bye future us.
We landed in Tokyo.
Okay then. I mean, if he insists. Best meals I've ever had. The food was so good. I had Thanksgiving dinner in Japan. And we got to Bangkok and we were so happy. We were like, yes, we're here, we're here, we're here.
Oh no, it's tilting back, it's tilting. I don't like this at all. Wow, I've never seen this before. Wow.
And we decided to grab a grab. A grab is kind of like their version of Uber. So we grabbed a grab and we went to our hotel and that's where we met up with Diego. He was already there. Or not. No? Oh, it's this way. I'm tripping. Oh my gosh. Hi, Diego.
Hi.
And it was our first night in Bangkok, so we just knocked out. We were tired. We slept. It was like 3 a.m. by the time that we actually finally went to bed. We slept and we woke up to a beautiful day in Bangkok. The first thing we wanted was food. We were hungry. So we went out into these Bangkok streets, which are wild, okay? The streets of Bangkok are crazy. There are vendors everywhere, cars and motorbikes everywhere. So we decided on a place to eat and we're looking for this place. We're using a GPS to look for this place. We can't find it. We're going in circles. It's nowhere to be found. So at some point we just give up. We're like, you know what? We'll walk around. We'll find something to eat because this place is it's not here. Okay? So we literally start walking the opposite direction of where we're originally heading and walk for a little bit, like a while. And then as we're walking, I'm looking around and I see this building and I'm like, isn't that the one that we were looking for? And yes it was. We were really heading in the wrong direction originally, but we found it. We had an amazing breakfast. The food was really, really good. So we ate breakfast, we chilled out, took hella pictures because that's what you do. You're a tourist, that's what we do. And then we decided to get a massage, a Thai massage. Now listen, highly recommend. Oh my God, this place was super nice. I've gotten massages here in the US before, but I think it's the fact that it's a lot cheaper in Thailand, so the high-end ones are a lot cheaper. So we went a little high-end, just a little bit. But the place was super nice. They gave us tea and they gave us snacks. Like, not like snacks in a bag or anything, but like delicious little snacks. And I felt like, oh, I'm special. But and the way, oh my goodness, the way this woman gave me this massage, the way it's set up is that the bed's kind of like on a platform. So it's kind of like on the floor. And just the advantage that this woman had doing my massage was everything. So you're not really on a table where they're kind of like doing this. She was really coming from above and just giving me the most amazing thing ever. I blacked out. Don't even remember. All I knew was that an hour later, hour came by like that, and I was like, dang, it's over. But it was great. Highly recommend Thai massage in Thailand. I don't know about the ones here, but in Thailand, definitely get your massage. So we had that, and it was great. And then we just kind of walked around for a bit. We walked around kind of waiting for the time for us to start heading over to our cooking class. And that time finally arrived, and we decided to take public transportation. So that was a whole situation because we had to figure it out. I lied. We didn't have to figure it out. Sarah and Diego had to figure it out. I was utterly useless during this time. We definitely got lost, but we had navigator Diego with us, so he figured it out. But honestly, I was terrible. I was just following them. They were like, I think it's this one. I'm like, yeah, sure. I have no idea how to work. But they do get us there. We were late to the cooking class, so by the time that we got there, everyone was kind of already in the market and looking at the ingredients that we're gonna be cooking with and looking at where they would buy them if they were gonna buy them. And they just kind of like hauled us over there.
Come from the tortilla line. The juice inside is very bitter, so we don't use the juice. We just use the steam.
And after they went through the ingredients with us, with the vendors and everything like that, we took tuk-tuks back.
Y'all, we are in a tuk-tuk. We just went to the market before our cooking class and we learned stuff.
For like 2 minutes. This was not late.
Yes. But yeah.
There's maneuvering happening right now.
Hey.
Oh, did he just do a U-turn? Hi guys. There's so much fun to ride. We took tuk-tuks back to the cooking school where we'd actually be doing the cooking, and we proceeded to make just amazing food.
This is why live photos are the best.
You're not mixing and swishing. What are you doing? She's so focused.
Prince Andrew, right? Not Prince Andrew. Prince William.
Yes.
Not Prince Andrew. Nobody wants to be anywhere with Prince Andrew. No.
I went to his dorm, actually. I went to St. Salvatore.
I'm hoping not Prince Andrew's dorm.
Oh my goodness, the mango and sticky rice. Okay, so I don't know where they get their mangoes from, but that mango cut like butter. Oh my god, it was so good, so good. I ate mango and sticky rice like 5 times during my whole entire trip over there. It was highly recommended, so good. So after the cooking class, we just kind of decided to explore the city at night. Thailand at night, Bangkok at night is honestly just spectacular. There was a lot going on. There's a lot of nightlife there, and we just kind of walked around, just just kind of seeing everything and taking it all in. I got tired, had to take a break. Walking takes a lot out of me, but yeah, we had an amazing first day in Thailand, and we knocked out and woke up and ready for our second adventure.